In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy potato salad, which is going to rock your world. The best thing about the salad is when you chop all the veggies the same size, because each bite is going to be filled with everything. Yum. The mayonnaise has added in lots of creaminess to the salad. We have lots of flavor from the onion, garlic powder, the black pepper, the mustard, yeah, and the eggs are just perfect. Give this recipe a try and you won't be disappointed. For this recipe, you're going to peel and slice your potatoes into bite-sized pieces just like this, and this is around 4 to 5 medium potatoes. Also, you're going to prep up some assorted peppers, celery stalks, onions, coriander. We have free-range eggs, a few other ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box in the right quantity. So you're going to get straight into this recipe by parboiling our potatoes and hard boiling our eggs. I have a small pot for my eggs and a bigger pot for my potatoes. I'm going to start off by adding in salt in both pots, and I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt for my potatoes, which is going to season as they're boiling. Carefully, I'm going to drop in my eggs in the water. And add in my potatoes to my pot. It's going to take you 10 minutes for the hard-boiled eggs, while the potatoes are going to take around 5 to 6 minutes. And also it's going to depend on the size that you have chopped up your potatoes. If yours are huge, it's going to take a little bit longer. Now it's just a matter of waiting for both the eggs and potatoes to cook. I'm going to check if my potatoes are ready by running a knife through, and they're nice and tender but not overcooked. So I'm going to drain off the water so that we can make our salad. Once you have drained water from the potatoes, you're going to uncover so that the potatoes can cool a little bit. As you can see, the potatoes are not overcooked, and for that evenly cooked texture, make sure to boil the potatoes in cold water, not hot water. Now I'm going to transfer it into my bowl so that the potatoes can cool a little bit. And the eggs are almost cooked, and I have some cold water for plunging the eggs when they're ready. So it's been around 8 minutes. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes so that the eggs can fully boil. Once ready, I'm going to put out the flames. Use a spoon and transfer into the cold water where the eggs are going to cool down. This is a salad for around 1 to 2 people at most. So you can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more salad for your entire family, or if you have some guests over. So I'm going to wait for the eggs to cool down for around 2 minutes, as my potatoes are also cooling down so that we can peel. Now it's time to peel my eggs. So I'm going to use a spoon, which is the easiest way to peel an egg. Tap on my countertop, then I'm going to run a spoon underneath the membrane, and it's going to be super easy because we added in a little bit of salt when boiling the eggs. Pick the next, tap on my countertop, and then I'm going to peel the rest. Next, I'm going to pick a chopping board, a knife. Then I'm going to be slicing up my eggs in half and into quarters. As you can see, the egg has a very nice yolk, yellow yolk, that is. That's why I love using free range eggs, because they are very nutritious and loaded with lots of protein. Place aside, pick my bowl. Then now it's time to add in the rest of the ingredients because my potatoes have already cooled. So I'm going to start off by adding in my assorted peppers. That is red and green. You can also add in orange or yellow. Add in celery stalks, 1 medium onion. Add in half a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, a little bit more salt for fully seasoning my salad, a teaspoon of sugar or honey. Add in some mayonnaise, one tablespoon of yellow mustard, toss all the ingredients until fully combined, and also you can add in some more mayonnaise to your own liking. Mine is just perfect. So now I'm going to be adding in my eggs, and lastly I'm going to garnish with coriander. Serve in a nice bowl. Then I'm going to garnish with some more eggs on top, just for presentation purposes. So good, so creamy, flavorful, crunchy. We have different flavors from each vegetable, which makes each bite absolutely amazing. The salad also is loaded with lots of proteins, which makes it super healthy.